In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable microphone access for Grok Voice Mode, Easy Setup 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to speak to Grok using your computer's microphone with confidence. Let's start by opening your preferred browser and heading to grok.com. Any modern browser works, but make sure you're on a stable connection so permissions load smoothly. If you have a Grok account, sign in now. Logging in isn't strictly required for microphone access, but it helps save your preferences and keeps your voice sessions consistent across visits. If you prefer not to sign in, you can still follow along and use voice mode on this device. Once you're on the homepage, you should see the Grok AI chat interface. Look for the message box at the bottom of the screen. That's where you'll also find the microphone button you'll use in a moment. Before you can use it, you need to give the site permission to use your mic. To do that, go to the very top of your browser, right next to the website address. Click the small site information icon there. This might look like a lock or settings badge. This opens the site permissions panel for the page you're on. In the permissions list, find microphone. Change it to allow. If you're given a prompt asking whether to allow the site to use your microphone, choose allow. If you have more than one microphone, like a built-in laptop mic and a USB headset, select the correct device from the dropdown so Grok listens through the right one. If you previously blocked microphone access, switch it to allow and refresh the page so the change takes effect. With the microphone now enabled, the permission applies to this Grok site in your current browser. You can modify or revoke it anytime through the same site settings panel if you need to. Head back to the chat area and click the microphone icon next to the prompt bar to test it. You should see a listening indicator or waveform appear. Speak naturally, for example. Hello, can you hear me? Then stop recording to let Grok process your voice. If nothing happens, double check that the correct device is selected, make sure no other app is using your microphone, and try refreshing the page. On some systems, you may also need to confirm microphone access in your computer's privacy settings. That's it. You've enabled microphone access and tested Grok Voice Mode. Enjoy hands-free conversations. And remember, you can always adjust or disable permissions from the browser controls whenever you need.